Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Marcus, this is Liam. We are all about fishing and I hope you enjoy our video today. Okay, so here I have the Shimano 12 foot with the Shimano 6000. Reel, I got a lily bomb with garlic, vampire garlic floaties and chop chop. And over here I got water rat 8 foot with a big boss 8000. Lily bomb, I'm gonna put a bit of devil's fork, chop chop and bass with vampire garlic floaties on. And then as you can see the hyacinths are here, so we're just gonna wait for them to pass and then we're gonna cast our lines and hope for the best.
Hey guys, we're gonna catch a roodeplaat, dam, some carp with devil's fork, tuna and honey with a little bit of custard with it.
So let's see how deep I can throw this one. So, after we got the policeman, we put it on to see if the fish bite. And now let's quickly throw the other one in. Drag. There we go.
Net vir invoer.
Oh! Wat? Oh! Waar was iets groot?
Jy moet so Jy moet bietjie wag het. Jy moet bietjie gewag
Het
het.
is erop gevallen.
Oh no.
Hy was ietsie groot.
Waar was wagen?
Kyk, nou gaan ek myne ingooi.
Wacht, Liam. Wacht even die keer stil gedeelte. Hy het my lijn gesnap. Sy lijn net dikker was.
Jessem.
Sy lijn net dunner was.
Dinner.
Dunner.
Ja.
Dan was die ding nog verder.
Ja. Dankie dat jy op vir my ingooi.
Guys, I think we have one here. Let's see. On. Yep, on. We have one, guys. That's a nice one. Well, it feels like a nice one, yeah? We'll see in just a second what now. Come here. Yeah, small one.
Ah.
Not too bad. Nice carp.
It's wired. It's wired.
Yes, we can wait. Will you please do the scale?
Okay.
Here we have the nice carp. Come in.
Okay.
Down the scale.
Power. Okay. How much? 0 kilograms.
3 pounds. 3 pounds. It's a nice carp. Let's release it. Ooh. Oops. And let's go. I think we got one, guys. Out in the drag. Look. Wait, we have one, please. We have one, guys. Feels like a bit better one, but you'll see. Liam, will you please come in with the net, please?
Toi. Weet je niet gehoord?
Yeah, it is right here. It's a bad one. Net? Yes. Will you please bring the scale for me?
Yes.
That's roodeplaat dam. These size fish are active right now. Lots of these size and a bit smaller. You will catch big ones, but not too many. Thank you. Is it on? Zeroed. Chop hook. See. 2 pounds. Wait. 1.5 pounds. Yeah, it's roodeplaat dam. There's lots of young carps now. Busy. Yeah, I just got another bite. There's young carps, a pound to 3 pounds. Busy if you want a very good dam now. Just a bit dirty with lots of hyacinths, but yeah, it's a good dam. I think we have one, guys. Let's see. On. You're on. Liam, will you please bring the net?
Sure.
No, it's not big. What do you have? One. Ah, fine. Or one. And we have another one. Guys, we just got another one. Reel. Oof, this is a nice one.
Nee, daai is te styf. Daar.
Okay.
Sy te styf, jy moet hom 'n bietjie lyn gee.
Bring up. Oh. Ja, wacht. Down. Put your point that side. Put your point there.
So half in die middel.
Ooh, big
Oh,
one.
that's a big one.
Is dit te naby of te ver dan sy nie.
Come. Put your point. Reel, you must reel. Come, bring up. Put your point up. Ah, it's not too big.
Oh, Marcus.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
First fish of the day, Liam.
Thank you.
Wacht. Stop. Yes, I have another one. Tyler is on with a nice carp. We hope it's a big one.
Very big. Like a 10 pounder. No?
Let's see. Oh, yes, small one, damn it. Put your point that side. Liam, put the net in the water. So long. Here's the fish, Liam.
Nee, hy is eintlik so sleg. Nou wil hy dit klaar.
Here's the fish.
Marcus, jy moet afneem, seun.
Awesome.
Here it is, there's the fish. Net. You missed. Wait, just wait for it. Wait for it, it will come to you, Liam. Liam, net. Right.
As hy.
It's a nice one.
Sleg teenetjie hier.
Wat ek gaan die ding gaan kry.
Pound and a half. Tyler is on with the fish today, guys. Here's another one. How does it feel? A bit better?
Ja.
Marcus, waar het jy die net gesit?
Oh,
Daarso, Liam by die ingestolse.
Klein bietjie, ja. Ek weet nie, hy
Sien,
swem
let's
so
see.
na ons toe, maar hier gaan hy begin beklei, ek weet sommer.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Liam,
Hij zwemt vanaand.
hier,
Sien jy?
give here. Give it a net here. Skip. You must skip. You must be quick. Azai, nice kop.
Dis 'n lekker.
Oeh, that's a bit better.
Hy het
Maybe.
op 'n onderstuk heuning honeyfluit gesit nou, want ek kyk actually waar hy gevat is.
Let.
Die
Yeah,
honeyfluit is baie soos die bun spice.
on the bottom hook,
Onderstuk.
I think. I know.
Hy is op die onderstuk.
Yes, bottom hook. We have one, guys. Is it one? On. Is this a better one, guys?
On the neck.
Oh, yes. Will you please bring the net? It's a better one, guys. Much better. Yes.
This guy's on the neck.
Oh, yes, this one is better, guys.
How do you a fisherman on the neck?
Will you please also bring the scale? You can quickly go get the scale. Oh wait, the fish is. It's deep. You can go and get the scale. Liam, will you please go and get the scale? Thank you. Ooh. Yes. This one I casted deep, so I was hoping for a big one. Let's go this side, Liam. Better. You must net, Liam. Net.
Skip him.
That's off. Liam. It's off. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I think Roodeplaat Dam is a very nice dam to come and fish, especially if you're just coming for afternoon. I'll really recommend it. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.